Ka? I'm not telling the bunch of lies. I'm not telling all the fake news whatsoever. I tried to upload in TikTok. I uploaded in my YouTube about the story was, and you know what is really happened in our country, in the Philippines. That is truth was. Oh, my reminder to you, Romeo TV vlog. You don't know what is you're talking about. One more, I have a warning to those fake Filipinos who are Marcos loyalists, such as Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Evelyn Caja, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and including Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Sangkay Janjan, and Tata Emenilao, Marcos Sacalaman, Helen Mission, and including Nino Bersaga. One more praising of the plunders and criminals, those imbecile Marcoses. I will shoot all of you with my pellet gun. If I borrow a pellet gun from Kiko Bersaga. Oh, is this what you like? Those idiot Filipinos who wants to praise the Marcoses? You are not all of you are Filipinos. The Dutertes are truly Filipinos. That's the reason. Oh, you don't know what is really happening. Oh, my reminder to Danmar Dayaw o Danmar, if you don't listen to Matthew Timbal, Miggy Labitag, Teacher Jessa Fernandez, and Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos, even Kuya Bear and Ate Nenet Manalo, even Jens Manaid's parents, even Jens Manaid and Alan Manaid, who were both anti-Marcos, who were all anti-Marcos, even the family members of Jens Manaid who were anti-Marcos, including others who were anti-Marcos, all of them are anti-Marcos. If you don't listen, Danmar, wag ka na kasi puro Marcos. I'm saying to you, you have to change your profile pic in TikTok. Bring Rodrigo Duterte home. Not Bagong Pilipinas. The Bagong Pilipinas are fake Filipinos because of the loyalty of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos. They are fake Filipinos, Danmar. I say again, nakilos ang Bagong Lipunan and the Bagong Pilipinas made by Bongbong Marcos and Ferdinand Marcos Sr., they are fake Filipinos. They are not truly Filipinos. Okay, I have to end this live. Oh, they are fake. When I'm saying to you, Danmar, if you're watching this my video, you have to listen to Tero Francisco. Tero Francisco, his parents are anti-Marcos. Tero Francisco did not vote Bongbong Marcos. He voted Leni Robredo. He and Carl Villos. While